Hi guys, and welcome back to another update on Annie's Diary. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Remember and hit that subscribe button, and if you like the videos, if you could like, and if you wish to leave a comment, that would be appreciated as well. All that can be done below. Anyway, as you know, I've been waiting on parts for a while, so some parts have arrived, so we'll have a look and let you see what's came so far. The brake discs that I've ordered from Euro, they're here, along with the pads and the shock absorbers. So they're all good to go. Ordered a caliper rebuild kit for the calipers from Minimime, as well as the seals for when you split the calipers. All that's arrived so far is the seals, so I'm hoping that the rest of the order arrives tomorrow or in the next couple of days. The paint that I've ordered, I ordered the paint and the grease about a fortnight ago. They're now here, so that's good. And the drive flanges, I was bored yesterday, so I gave them a rub down with a wire brush and painted it with exhaust paint, because that's all I've got, or all I had at the time, you know. So that's where we're at with the parts. I know in the last video I released was the caliper repaint job. After the calipers were painted, well, a couple of days after they were painted, my employers notified me that I was getting put onto the furlough scheme. So I thought, well, that's me going to be in the house for a further 3 weeks, so I may as well just rebuild the calipers, you know. I was planning on rebuilding the calipers later on in the year, but I may as well do it now. So yeah, there'll be a caliper rebuild video coming up just shortly. Anyway, what I plan on doing today is just getting these brakes painted, the discs painted. What I normally do with my brake discs is paint the centres here. Now, the reason that I paint the centres is to stop them from rusting, and it makes them look a little bit tidier. You know, I've done it with all my cars over the years, so I may as well do it with the Mini as well. Plus it makes it look neater, you know, when you're in that area. I'm missing a back plate for the passenger side. This is off the driver's side, and as you can see, it's not that good. It would probably clean up, so I might try and actually clean it up first, but I'll need to order another back plate for the passenger side. If that doesn't clean up too well, I'll just order up here. You know, it's an expense that I could really do without, but I just want the car to look decent. So anyway, let's crack on and get these discs painted. Right, I'll make a start on the discs. First of all, I want to get rid of all the grease. Maybe put a tissue down here as well to set the discs on. Is that going to be big enough? Yeah, that'll do it. Right, I want to get some brake cleaner on the disc, just to get rid of the grease. So I'll do the inside as well. It's important to take this stuff off, by the way, because if you just go ahead and fit your discs, your brakes might not stop. Right, that's all that grease off it, or wax, or whatever it is you put on it. It just prevents them from rusting in transit or on the shelf. So what I'll do now is I'll probably just put you on time lapse, because this is pretty boring. So we'll switch you onto the wider angle and pop you on time lapse. That's the discs masked off now, and as you can see I've left areas exposed where I wish to paint, you know. So the next step now will be to get this in paint. Right, that's had a good couple of minutes shaking, so let's get the first coat on. I'm just giving it a very light dusting, nothing silly, and then I'll give it another coat in about 15 minutes. As you can see there, that's the first coat done, inside and out. What I should have done was blanked off the holes. I forgot all about that, but I'll do that for the next disc. So what I'll do now is I'll pop this outside and let the sun dry it for 15-20 minutes, and then we'll give it another coat. Right, while I'm waiting on the discs to dry, this is a hub for the the driver's side, so I'm going to give that a clean up and then we'll get that painted, and then that's another job ticked off the list. So I'll get you readjusted and then we'll get this quickly rubbed down and then painted. I've rubbed it down by hand a few days ago, but I've now got a wire brush attachment again. It's not a great one, that, but it'll do the job. Well, that was quite a productive day today. We've managed to get the brake discs painted up, and the hub, managed to get the driver's side hub, that's all painted up now. And I just decided to paint the lower suspension arms and the tie rods, purely just to freshen them up, you know, so when you look in that area it's all clean. And also, you would have noticed, changed the track rod end on the driver's side. So that's that done. So now it's just a matter of waiting on some more parts to arrive, and hopefully it won't be too long until they come. So guys, I'm going to wrap it up there. Hope you have enjoyed this little video today, and stay tuned, there'll be more to come, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.